So what we're going to do now is go ahead and install your new element into your stove. What you're going to do is slide in between the bolts, the mounting bolts, and then you're going to, with this 4 U-shaped brackets, you're going to put in the back. These ones go in the back. These are your glider brackets, which allows the rear of the element to float as it expands and contracts. And then you're going to have 2 flats. Now they should have a slight bend to them. One goes on the top, one goes on the bottom, and then you're going to have a shorty. This goes horizontal, not vertical. And then you're going to have three washers. Now these go in the front. Now your front 3 posts are your lockdown posts. That means that these 3 posts are going to hold the element in place. So then you're going to put your 3/8 brass nuts on. Now those U-clamps in the back, they'll actually hold the element where it should be. So you don't have to worry, is it in the right spot or not. And then with the 3/8 socket, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure these are straight on here. Go ahead and tighten them. Now you want these to be tight. So until it's tight, and then one more half turn.
Tight and then one more half turn.
Yes. Just past where it gets tight. So now that our 3 front posts are on and tight, you're going to have 4 3/8 nuts in the back. These don't get washers. Sometimes it's going to be difficult to put on, but just be patient. Now these posts in the back, you just get it just till they're tight. You don't need to reef on them. What you don't want, just give it like 1 turn. All these do is hold the element in place. They don't hold the element down. And if you tighten these too much, the element won't be able to flow back and forth as it expands and contracts. And that's it. So now that your element's in place, what you're going to do is go ahead and hook up your electrical. Now this is your jumper wire. This is your transfer wire that comes from your element, from your control to your element. So right side goes on right, left side goes on left. The right side, when it's upside down, is going to go to your front. So this jumper is going to feed your transfer and your jumper on this post. And this top one is just going to